The Turbo Edge Quantum is our most advanced siphon yet, and it solves one of the biggest problems in plumbing, leaking flush valves. Turbo Edge Quantum is a siphon that operates via a push button. Same push button look, greater long-term reliability, less chance of problems down the line. Push button toilets have become the standard in modern bathrooms, but push button has traditionally meant flush valves, and valves are far more prone to leaking over time. Often it's a slow, silent leak, water wasted, higher bills, and eventually another callback. But what if you could keep the push button look and lose the valve problems altogether? The Turbo Edge Quantum changes that. The original Turbo Edge siphon is already trusted by plumbers across the UK. Turbo Edge Quantum is its evolution, taking proven siphon reliability and combining it with modern push button operation. Turbo Edge Quantum is a siphon that operates via a push button. So now, push button toilets don't have to mean flush valves. And it's one of the only UK manufactured options that allows you to make that switch. If you're called out to a leaking push button toilet, you're already there to solve the problem. And if you've got the toilet dismantled, it's the ideal opportunity to offer a longer term solution. Instead of simply replacing what was there before, you can upgrade it to a siphon, giving your customer improved reliability and significantly reducing the chances of future leaks. If you're fitting a new bathroom and the suite comes with a push button valve, you can offer a smarter alternative. For larger installations, hotels, housing associations, and student accommodation, multiply a small valve leak across 50 or 100 toilets and it quickly becomes a serious cost. Switching to Turbo Edge Quantum dramatically reduces that risk. Better for maintenance teams, better for the environment, and better for the bottom line. And if you're managing multiple properties or working in maintenance, fewer valve failures means fewer emergency callouts, protecting your time and your reputation. The reason this works comes down to how a siphon operates. A flush valve relies on a seal that constantly sits below the waterline. Over time, that seal can degrade, and that's when leaks begin. A siphon works differently. There isn't the same permanently submerged sealing washer in play, which is why siphons don't leak. That's why they've been trusted for decades. Turbo Edge Quantum is designed to fit all Dudley two-piece siphons, making it one of the most versatile replacements on the market. It's ideal for close couple toilets and perfect when you're swapping out an existing valve-operated system. You get water-saving duo flush as standard. Press and release for a half flush, press and hold for a full flush. Simple, intuitive, and user-friendly, the light touch push button operation. Performance-wise, this siphon is built with flexibility in mind. You've got 6, 7, or 9 litre volume adjustment, so you can fine-tune the flush to guarantee optimum performance, depending on the installation. It's also height adjustable from 7.5 inches to 9.5 inches. That's 191 millimeters to 241 millimeters, giving you flexibility across a wide range of cisterns. It suits internal cistern heights from 350 millimeters to 425 millimeters, and water levels between 170 millimeters and 220 millimeters. So you're covered on most standard installs. Installation has been made as straightforward as possible. The fully captive yellow fixing pin stays in place, so there's no fiddly parts to remove during fitting. It's supplied with an adapter for a 51mm outlet and comes with both a low profile chrome push button and a palm button, so you can choose the finish that suits the bathroom. And if you want to maximise water savings even further, pair it with the Dudley HydroFlow delay fill inlet valve. The delay fill function ensures the cistern only refills once flushing is complete, reducing unnecessary water use and improving overall efficiency. And it's all backed by a 10-year warranty. Bottom line, the Turbo Edge Quantum gives installers a reliable, leak-free solution that looks like a modern valve system, but performs like a siphon should. No more unnecessary callbacks for leaking valves. No compromise on aesthetics, reliable performance, water efficiency, British manufacturing. If you're fitting push-button toilets, this is the smarter solution. The Turbo Edge Quantum is the plumber's choice.